Hello, everyone, and welcome to Cricketing with Delonda. It's me again, Delonda, and as you can see, I have a special guest with me. In this tutorial, I'm actually not going to be teaching you anything. I received this keychain as a gift from my daughter, and in addition to this gift, she agreed to create a tutorial on how she made this. So I'm interested to see. I'll be learning right along with you. So this is what it looks like. She wrote a note to me, and she did not use a cricket on this at all, so that's why I didn't call you cricketers. It says, "Dear Mommy, I will forever be grateful for you, and I'm so blessed to have you as my mom. I love you." So she is going to show you how to create this. So without further ado, let's get started.
For this project, you will need this material called Shrinky Dinks. This is what each sheet looks like. It comes in a package of 10. I purchased it from Michael's for $7.99. You can also purchase them from any craft store or on Amazon. You will need a ruler, a pair of scissors, 3 Sharpies, a red one, a blue one, and a black one, jewelry pliers, a Cricut cutter if you don't have one, scissors also work. You will need jewelry hardware, and you will need a hole puncher. Any size hole puncher will work. You will also need some non-stick parchment paper to place the Shrinky Dink material on when you put it in the oven. Okay, so the first thing I did was measure the length of the Shrinky Dink, and it is 10 inches, so just make a mark about halfway so you know where to cut, because this is a pretty big sheet, and as you can see, it shrunk down to this small. So you're only going to use half of the sheet, and then you're going to use your cutter to cut it in half. Now that you have your sheet cut in half, you're going to take your red Sharpie and put the ruler against the edge of the Shrinky Dink plastic and make your first line going all the way down. Then you'll turn your ruler and start from the bottom and start making your lines, which you'll be writing on with your blue Sharpie. After making 5 lines, this is what it looks like, and I didn't add another line just so it has that big space at the top that notebook paper usually has. Now you're going to take your scissors and round the edges right here and right here. Now that you have your edges rounded, you're going to use your black Sharpie to write whatever you want to whoever you want. Now that you have your message on the Shrinky Dink material, you're going to take your hole puncher and you're going to punch a hole in this top corner. That I have the Shrinky Dink out of the oven, I'm just going to use this cute mug to flatten it out. Since it is still hot, it is still a little bit malleable. And it doesn't take long to cool either. And what it looks like. Now that the Shrinky Dink is out of the oven and cooled off completely, all that's left to do is add the keychain hardware using these jewelry pliers, and I added a tassel just because it's cute. Hey, so this is how the keychain turned out. And what am I gonna say? I love it. I absolutely love the way this turned out. And I do want to say that I did not seal it with anything. It's just Sharpie on here and it doesn't wipe off or anything, so you don't have to worry about that. And if this tutorial helped you in any sort of way, please like the video, subscribe to my channel, my mom's channel, and turn on the bell for notifications. Thank you so much for joining me today, and thanks for watching. Bye!